Please read the instructions before installation. Apply screw adhesive to the screws. Place the side case racks. Thread the screws and add aluminum spacers. Just initially fix the screws, do not tighten yet. Secure the screw in this position with a jam nut. No need to apply screw adhesive. Install the other side in the same way. The aluminum spacer is not required for this position of the right side rack. Secure the screw in this position with a jam nut. No need to apply screw adhesive. Install the connecting rod. Fasten all screws. Parameters as shown. Demonstration completed. Thank you for watching.